Hello everyone, we are happy to see you are interested in publishing your documents on Issuu. In this short tutorial we will be focusing on creators among students who create and publish their thesis papers, CVs and portfolios, as well as student magazines or university newspaper. We believe that there are several features on Issuu, other than simply uploading, that can be immensely useful for you. Based on our experience and conversations with Issuu customers among students, it is mainly the ability to add links and videos, also embedding and full screen sharing link. And in this video, we will focus on these three tools, and I will also show you how to use them later on when I will be demoing it on Issuu platform. So the ability to add links and videos to your content can make your content more interactive, and it can also make you stand out from your class when conducting a presentation or simply as a way to elevate your content. You can add any links and video URLs right after you upload. These videos must be hosted on YouTube or Vimeo, and on starter and free plan they can play in overlay. If you upgrade to premium, you will be also able to have them embedded directly in the publication, as well as have these videos autoplay. Embeds, these are a great way to showcase content on your website or blog. A lot of our student customers do incorporate these embeds to display a resume or portfolio for school projects or for job search. And likewise, full screen readers can allow you to present your content in a full screen reading experience. You can share this link in your job application, email, social media post or on blog, and then everyone who opens the link, they get the document open as a flipbook in full screen with no distraction. Let me jump into the tool to show you all these three features. So let me start with links and videos. You would just need to go and open that particular document that you want to add the links to. So you select Add Links and Videos in the left-hand menu, and you will select the page where you want to add the link. You will select the placement for it. If you want to add a video, we recommend to widen the space to embed videos properly, especially for videos that you want to play directly. So for the best experience on pages in portrait mode, the video should span at least 2/3 of the page width or half of the page height. So that's why I selected this placeholder. And as I said, we have different types of links that you can add. You can either add any hyperlink to a website. You can add a video link if your video is hosted on YouTube or Vimeo. If you have catalogs, you can also add shopping link that has a shopping cart next to it. So that's why it can be useful if you are sending someone to some e-shop. And we also have in publication links. These are go-to page links, and you can use them, for example, in your table of content. And then if someone clicks on such a link, it will send them directly to the page where an article is located. But let me see how to add video links. So as I said, if you are on free or starter, you can play these videos in overlay. If you are on premium, you can also have them embedded in publication, and you can have them also autoplayed. So let me select that. You will just go and find the URL of the video that you want to add there. You go back, you insert the URL, you can click done, and you save it. I already have one test publication where I would like to show you how that looks like. So this is it. You can see that it autoplays directly, that it is embedded in the publication, and It just looks very professional, and as I said, pretty interactive, and it can just simply make you stand out from the rest. So that was the ability to add links and videos. The second feature that we think is pretty important for our students is embedding on a website. So again, if you go to your publication workspace, if you click in the left-hand menu on Embed on Website, you will see that you have the ability to customize the embed. So you have the ability to customize the size. If you want, you can select the responsive width for your website or for your page, and you can also select the background color. These are selected from your from the cover of your publication, but if you want any other, you can simply go and select the color in here. You can also type the color code. You can have it started from any page in your publication. You can also select if you want, if you prefer a double page layout or a single page. For this one, I would prefer to have a double page spread. And you can also have the pages auto flip. This is again another interactive element, so you can see that the pages are auto flipping every couple of seconds. If you prefer not to have it, just simply go and uncheck this box. Here under advanced settings, if you are on a premium plan, you can remove the banner powered by Issuu down here. You can also promote your other publications. So these would be 4 latest publications that you uploaded before, and you can also hide the share button if you prefer not to have it there. You can also add your logo, or you can add some background image if you prefer that. The logo will be appearing in the top left corner of the reader. So if you are happy with how everything looks, let me start with the cover page. And if you're happy with how everything looks, you can just simply go and get this iframe embed code and then simply put it on your website or on your blog. And the third feature that we think our student customers use very often is full screen sharing link. Again, you can select where you want the publication, the document to start when you share this full screen link. So as I said, it can be basically any page. The same with the page layout. You can select either double or single page spread. You can have it auto flipped. You can customize the background color. You can again add the logo or background image. These just need to be hosted anywhere on internet, and they need to be in PNG format. You can also again promote your 4 latest publications, and you can hide the share button. If you save and get this link, if you copy it, it will open in this full screen sharing experience. This is very useful because you can remove any distraction. It looks good if you, as I said, if you share this on your social media, if you share it in email. You can also post it on your website, on your blog. I think it can look pretty neat if you add it in your job application. So as I said, everyone who opens this link, they will open it in this full screen experience. So I believe that the features that I presented are pretty intuitive, as well as the rest of Issuu platform. If you are ever struggling with anything on Issuu, you can simply go into our support, into Help Center. We have a variety of articles on all topics that you can imagine. So most of these are under distribute content, but also you can find some interesting things under publishing content, such as how to add links and video. So if you're in doubt, I would suggest you to go into our Help Center to find the answers to your questions. So thanks again for watching this video, and let us know if you have any questions, and enjoy publishing with Issuu. Bye!